The Mazda 6 is more than an assembly of metal and moving parts. It's the embodiment of a philosophy. It captures motion and evokes emotion. A design that eliminates all that is unnecessary, leaving only what is beautiful. Its lines effortlessly draw the eyes to every angle and curve. It channels reflections of light and shadow, constantly reinventing itself in every new environment. We call this design philosophy Kodo, the soul of motion. The front fascia incorporates a distinctive grille and LED headlight design, perfectly integrated to accent the low profile and wide athletic stance. There are available 19-inch aluminum alloy wheels and auto-folding side mirrors, and premium paint options, including soul red crystal and machine gray metallic, that play with light and shadow to enhance the lines and curves of the vehicle. The Mazda 6 is a pure expression of our design philosophy, elegant and sophisticated, yet perfectly capturing the driving spirit at the heart of every Mazda.